Protein cookies are marketed like performance food, but most of them are much closer to candy bars than gym snacks. Today I am ranking Lenny and Larry's Complete Cookie, Quest Protein Cookie, Crumbl Protein Cookie, Muscle Nation Protein Cookie, and Insomnia Cookies Protein Cookie from absolute worst to best, and we are getting straight into it. Number 5. Worst. Lenny and Larry's Complete Cookie. Lenny and Larry's Complete Cookie is the best-selling protein cookie brand in the United States, and has been for several years. The product is everywhere. Gas stations, gyms, grocery stores, campus vending machines, every environment where a person might need a portable, calorie-dense food and is looking for something that feels healthier than the candy bar next to it. The branding is friendly and approachable. The cookie is large, satisfying, and available in enough flavors to sustain long-term variety. And it is, by every meaningful nutritional criterion, the worst product on this list. Here is the foundational problem with Lenny and Larry's that everything else flows from. The protein in the Complete Cookie is derived primarily from wheat protein and a proprietary plant protein blend. Wheat protein, also known as vital wheat gluten in food labeling, has a PDCAAS score of 0.25. This is among the lowest scores of any commercially used protein source. The protein that Lenny and Larry's is selling you at a premium price and marketing as a post-workout recovery food and a muscle-building snack is, by the objective measure of nutritional science, one of the least effective protein sources available in commercial food production. A standard Complete Cookie delivers 16 grams of protein per cookie, based on the PDCAAS score of the primary protein source. The bioavailable, functionally useful protein you are actually receiving is significantly lower than that label suggests. You are paying for protein grams that your body cannot fully use. The calorie situation compounds this problem. A standard Lenny and Larry's Complete Cookie contains 410 calories for 16 grams of low bioavailability protein. By comparison, 410 calories of chicken breast delivers approximately 75 grams of complete protein with a PDCAAS of 1.0. You're getting roughly 5% of the protein yield per calorie that a whole food protein source would deliver. The sugar content is 14 grams per cookie, not low by any reasonable standard for a health food. The ingredient list exceeds 15 items and includes multiple forms of sugar alongside the sweeteners, creating a combined glycemic and caloric load that is indistinguishable in practical terms from a large conventional bakery cookie. Lenny and Larry's Complete Cookie is not a protein food. It is a large, sweet, calorie-dense baked product with a modest amount of low-quality protein added to justify a health food price and a health food label. The gap between what this product's marketing implies and what its nutritional reality delivers is the widest in this entire category. Protein quality, very poor. PDCAAS of primary source, 0.25. Total calories, 410. Sugar, 14 grams. Ingredient integrity, poor. Value relative to claims, very poor. Number 4. Crumbl Protein Cookie. Crumbl built one of the most successful specialty cookie businesses in recent American food retail history on the back of oversized, visually spectacular, unapologetically indulgent cookies that nobody pretended were anything other than dessert. The brand's weekly rotating flavors, the distinctive pink boxes, the social media virality. All of it was built on the explicit proposition that these cookies are a treat. They are enormous, and they are delicious. Then Crumbl introduced a protein cookie, and this is where the brand enters the territory that earns it the second worst position on this list. Not because the cookie is bad as a food experience, but because the transition from explicit indulgence to health food positioning involves a nutritional compromise that the brand's marketing glosses over in a way that is genuinely misleading. The Crumbl Protein Cookie uses whey protein as its primary protein source, which is a meaningful upgrade over Lenny and Larry's wheat protein and gives it a complete amino acid profile and a PDCAAS of 1.0. That is a genuine nutritional credential, and it is the most positive thing to say about this product's health positioning. The problem is everything else. The Crumbl Protein Cookie contains approximately 340 to 390 calories depending on the specific flavor variant, because Crumbl's protein cookie line still reflects the brand's fundamental identity as a producer of large, rich, flavor-forward baked products. The sugar content ranges from 18 to 24 grams per cookie across the flavor range, which is higher than several conventional cookies that make no health claims whatsoever. The fat content is high, reflecting the butter and oil content that gives Crumbl's product its characteristic texture and flavor. Here's the interesting truth about Crumbl's protein cookie that the brand's marketing sidesteps. A Crumbl Protein Cookie in its higher sugar variants has a sugar content comparable to a standard Oreo serving, a calorie content approaching a McDonald's McFlurry, and a fat content consistent with a fast food dessert item. The protein addition, genuinely from a quality source, does not change the fundamental character of the product. It is a dessert with whey protein added. It is a candy bar that went to the gym once and put it on its resume. Protein quality, good. Whey, protein, sugar. high at 18 to 24 grams. Total calories, 340 to 390. Processing level, high. Honest category, dessert with protein addition. Value, poor as a health food. Number 3, bonus trap. Quest Protein Cookie. Quest is the bonus trap in this ranking, and I want to explain why I am using that term for a product that I am placing in the middle of the list rather than at the bottom. Because the trap that Quest represents is more sophisticated than the straightforward nutritional failures of the products below it. Quest has built one of the most credible brand identities in the sports nutrition and functional snack space. The company has invested in nutritional transparency, in communicating the science behind its formulations, and in building a consumer base that is specifically ingredient literate and macro aware. Quest consumers are not casual snack shoppers. They are people who read labels, count macros, and evaluate products with more sophistication than the average grocery buyer. And Quest has calibrated its product and its marketing precisely for that audience. The Quest Protein Cookie delivers 15 grams of protein from a blend of whey protein isolate and milk protein isolate. They both complete proteins with DCAAS scores of 1.0. The protein quality is genuine. The amino acid profile supports muscle protein synthesis in the way the product claims. On the protein dimension alone, Quest is delivering honestly. Here is the trap. The erythritol content. A single Quest protein cookie contains approximately 10 to 13 grams of erythritol depending on the flavor. Quest uses erythritol as its primary sweetener, which is the most defensible sugar alcohol choice from a glycemic standpoint. Erythritol has a glycemic index of essentially 0, meaning it does not spike blood sugar, and it is absorbed in the small intestine rather than fermenting in the large intestine like most other sugar alcohols. But here is what has emerged in research published since Quest built its erythritol-forward formulation strategy. A landmark 2023 study published in Nature Medicine found that high blood levels of erythritol were associated with significantly elevated cardiovascular risk, specifically increased platelet aggregation and thrombosis risk. The study was observational, which means it demonstrates correlation rather than proving causation, and the research community is actively debating its implications. But the finding is credible enough, and the journal authoritative enough, that eating a product containing 10 to 13 grams of erythritol daily as a routine snack habit, which is exactly how Quest markets and how its consumers use its products, is a practice worth reconsidering in light of current evidence. Quest is the most nutritionally honest product on this list, from a protein quality perspective. It is also the product whose primary sweetener is currently at the center of an active scientific debate about cardiovascular safety. Buy it with that information, not without it. Protein quality, excellent. Whey and milk protein isolate. Erythritol content, high, with emerging cardiovascular research warranting attention. Sugar, low. Total calories, 250. Processing level, moderate to high. Value, good with caveats. Number 2, Muscle Nation Protein Cookie. Muscle Nation is a brand that operates with significantly less mainstream recognition than Quest or Lenny and Larry's. It has strong penetration in the fitness and bodybuilding community, but has not crossed into the mass market grocery and convenience store presence that the top-selling brands command. That relative obscurity is part of why it sits at number 2 on this list, because the absence of mass market pressure has allowed Muscle Nation to make formulation choices that prioritize nutritional integrity over the cost-cutting and label gaming that scale incentivizes. The Muscle Nation Protein Cookie delivers 20 grams of protein per serving from whey protein concentrate and whey protein isolate, a dual whey approach that provides a complete amino acid profile with a PDCAAS of 1.0. and supports both immediate and slightly sustained protein absorption through the differential absorption rates of concentrate versus isolate. This is a genuinely thoughtful protein formulation, not a label padding strategy. The calorie count sits at approximately 220 to 240 calories per cookie, which makes the calorie to protein ratio one of the strongest in this category. You are getting 20 grams of high-quality protein for around 230 calories, which is a genuinely competitive number against whole food protein sources when you factor in portability and convenience. The sugar content is low at 3 to 5 grams depending on flavor. The fat content is moderate and comes from sources that do not raise the same processing concerns as the fat profiles in the worst products on this list. The sweetener profile uses a combination of erythritol and stevia. The same erythritol caveat I mentioned with Quest applies here, though at a somewhat lower absolute quantity per serving. The ingredient list sits at around 12 items, which is shorter than most products in this category and reflects a formulation that is making fewer industrial compromises than its competitors. What keeps Muscle Nation at number 2, rather than number 1, is accessibility and the erythritol quantity, which while lower than Quest is still meaningful enough to warrant the same transparency I applied to the Quest entry. If the emerging cardiovascular research on erythritol strengthens, this is a formulation that will need to evolve. Protein quality, excellent. Protein quantity, 20 grams from complete sources. Total calories, 220 to 240. Sugar, low. Calorie to protein ratio, strong. Value, excellent for the fitness-focused consumer. Number 1, best. Insomnia Cookies. Insomnia Cookies wins this ranking for a reason that is counterintuitive given the brand's identity. And understanding why it wins tells you something important about what honest food marketing actually looks like relative to the functional snack industry's approach. Insomnia Cookies built its brand around delivering warm, fresh-baked, genuinely indulgent cookies on demand through late-night delivery. The brand has never pretended to be a health food company. The original product line is explicit about what it is: delicious, warm, dessert cookies for people who want dessert. That honesty is the foundation of the brand's credibility, and it carries through to how Insomnia approaches its protein cookie offering in a way that distinguishes it from every competitor on this list. The Insomnia Protein Cookie uses whey protein isolate as its protein source, the highest quality form of whey, with a PDCAAS of 1.0, and the lowest fat and lactose content of any whey format, meaning the protein payload is as clean and bioavailable as commercially manufactured protein gets. The protein delivery is 20 grams per cookie from this single high-quality source, without the protein blending strategies used to hit numbers with cheaper, lower-quality components. The sweetener approach is where Insomnia makes its most distinctive choice. The protein cookie uses a significantly lower quantity of sweetening agents than any competitor on this list, and relies more heavily on the natural sweetness of the cookie base ingredients to achieve palatability. The result is a product with a sugar alcohol content that is meaningfully lower than Quest and Muscle Nation, which reduces both the erythritol exposure concern and the gastrointestinal risk profile that every sugar alcohol heavy protein cookie carries. It is still a cookie. It is still a processed food. You should not eat it as a daily staple and call it a health food. But if you are going to eat a protein cookie, and many of you are, and there is nothing wrong with that, Insomnia's product gives you genuine protein quality, a shorter and more honest ingredient list, and a lower sweetener load than anything else in this category. Protein quality, excellent. Whey, protein isolate, protein quantity, 20 grams, total calories, 260. Sugar alcohol content, lowest on list. Ingredient count, 11. Value, strong across all criteria. Here is your final safe list. The clear answer to what to actually do with everything you just learned. If you are going to eat a protein cookie and want the most honest, cleanest formulation currently available from a well-known brand, Insomnia Cookies Protein Cookie. Whey isolate, shortest ingredient list in the category. Lowest sweetener load, real butterfat. This is the one. If you train seriously, count macros carefully, and want the best calorie to protein ratio in a portable format, Muscle Nation Protein Cookie. 20 grams of complete whey protein for around 230 calories is a genuinely strong number. Monitor the erythritol conversation as the research develops. If you are a Quest loyalist who appreciates the brand's nutritional transparency and complete protein sourcing, continue buying with the erythritol caveat front of mind. Do not eat it daily without being aware that a 2023 Nature Medicine study raised questions about erythritol and cardiovascular risk that the science has not fully resolved. If Crumbl's Protein Cookie is the one you enjoy most, eat it as dessert, not as a post-workout recovery food. Call it what it is. There is no shame in eating a good-tasting cookie. The problem is only in believing it is something it is not. And Lenny and Larry's Complete Cookie, the most popular protein cookie in the country, the one on the rack at every gym and gas station and university food court, is the product I would remove from your rotation entirely if you are eating it for its protein content. Wheat protein at a PDCAAS of 0.25 is not doing the work you believe it is doing. The 410 calories are real. The bioavailable protein grams are a fraction of what the label claims. You are paying a health food premium for a conventional baked product with a very good marketing team. The protein cookie category will improve as consumers demand better ingredient transparency and as the erythritol research forces reformulation conversations across the functional snack industry. But right now, the framework is simple. Check the protein source for a complete amino acid profile and a high PDCAAS score. Check the sugar alcohol type and quantity, divide calories by protein grams, and ask honestly whether what you are holding is a performance food or a candy bar that has been to the gym. Eat something real. Or at least know exactly what you are eating when you choose not to.